Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. I told you a few videos back that I was going to be sharing with you some really cool items. I got to tell you, the first one that I'm going to share with you today has fit the bill for me personally, and now I've got some of my workers actually going to be picking some up. This little bugger right here weighs a little over a pound, 1 pound, 4 ounces, somewhere in that range. And it is a Bluetooth speaker. This is absolutely perfect for the person on the go, or you're somewhere you want to hear music. It lasts for up to 8 hours. That's huge. 8 hours with this thing. It's got the volume up here. You can plug it in right here. Charge, full charge is 4 hours to fully charge it. Has a jack right here, so you can plug it into just about anything that'll accept the jack and you don't want to use your Bluetooth. And how this all came about is I'd already been thinking about trying to find something I could take with me when I'm out working on a vehicle, and I just got to have music. It just makes the job go easier and faster. And these guys contacted me about this, and it was the weirdest thing ever because I'd already been thinking about it. If you're looking for something like this that will allow you to play whatever you want. I mean, it doubles as a speakerphone for your phone, which is really awesome. But the main thing I love about it, it's got a mic right there so you can do the speaking right through it if your phone rings. There's so many cool options with this. It has the bass speaker right here, and I'll get up close and show you some more on it. But it'll set right in a cup holder. It's 360-degree sound all the way around, and the sound of this is absolutely mind-blowing. And I'm not messing with you. It sounds like speakers that are 5 to 10 times larger than this thing. It is just a very, very powerful little tube. But I'll play some music through it. I don't know how well you'll be able to pick up how well it works, but I can tell you this right now, it is awesome. They offered you, our SPC people, our Sweet Project Cars subscribers, 65% off on this, which is an awesome deal. I just can't believe they're doing that, but 65% off. And Julio, tell them where they can find this.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez. And you just go on the link and the promo code will be right there once you hit checkout. But I'll guarantee you, if you're looking for something you can take with you to the beach, you can set it out in the garage. If you're on a picnic, it'll work up to 30 feet away from your phone. So you just go and turn your music on. If you're an Amazon Prime person, you get the Amazon Music. This is absolutely perfect for all of that. I don't share many products, but when I get something that's off the charts, you know I'm going to share it with you. I just have to. So let's get up close to it so you can get an idea. All right, the power button right here. And then it will pair to your phone. That's letting you know that it's pairing. And that little beep right there tells you it paired. Now let's see if we can play something on here to give you an idea what it sounds like. But it's very simple in its design. It has these two little bars right here so you can set it like that so it doesn't roll around. And then bass boost and then normal right there. And there's your plug-in to charge it. And this is telling you that it's on and that the bass is on. Here's your volume. And when the red is on, your charging means it's charging. It's not fully charged yet. You wait for the red to go on. Let's see if we can make this thing play. So I have it paired to the phone. not that big of a unit, but it just got a sound that I can't even explain to you. You'll be extremely happy with this.